How to fix Instagram features you cannot use in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and then search here Instagram. Now here you can check your Instagram update. If you have any update of your Instagram, then update your Instagram. After update your Instagram, then go back to your home screen and open Instagram and then click on your account, and then on top right corner you can see these three lines. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on help and then click on account status. In last you can see the option features you cannot use. Now here you can see what this name means, what you can do. After that, go back to your home screen and click on settings and then click on general and click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on Instagram. Now here you can offload your Instagram app and reinstall it. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.